Thank you, mommy and papa them. As soon as they join this show, any man will join, the first responsibility for make sure say, make you share. You click on like, you like the show, like the page, follow the page. And then the first comment today will be now, congratulations, Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation, CDN. Any man will join me, make a hashtag CDN, because I want to thank them today for a special way after the 3-day conference. We for journalists will come and say, a 3-day conference, you need to put S for them. Or you say a conference that held in for 3 days. So we thank Almighty God, already 250,000. So as you join, you make sure to share. I will always start this show and give homage to all men who don't die for the revolution. Today, I want to put the things straight for the Republic of Cameroon. But I will start with this very important music where now Sweet Bamenda, my Sweet Bamenda by Dog Star. So all men who watch, when you join, you share, click on like, you comment, hashtag CDN, hashtag CDN. All man when you join, hashtag CDN. One about Grand Zero, now Grand One. Well, congratulations to the coalition for dialogue and negotiation. Journalism, they say shun. That last T-I-O-N. You call it shun. So we congratulate CDN, and I will play this music. All man when you join, as you join, you share. La Republic don't be completely terminated. They don't finish. And we got to know this one for a fact. What people they need now hope at this time. And the way forward, you don't listen. My turn on one thing. As a matter of fact, I play the music before I come for the show. The music will play for only 2 minutes. Thank you so much, or less.
Let's do it now. Mama, let me tell you something about this, my sweet mama. The only woman with it me to grow and make me a man. Thank you, for the love you showed me. Without you, my Bamenda, I don't believe existing. Thank you, my Bamenda. Thank you, my homeland. God bless you, my mama. For the sacrifice for your children, I am proud of you. You are rich. I am proud of you. You are strong. You defeat the whole Cameroon, like Africa in the one land. My Bamenda. Others say you know it good for make things work. But just a name in this country, people them they shield back. The way we are picking them, they also people them they wonder. Thank you, Baba Mendai. Thank you, my homeland. God bless you, my mama. For the sacrifice for your children, I am proud of you. You are rich. I am proud of you. You are strong. You defeat the whole Cameroon, like Africa in the one land. Baba Mendai.
Okay.
My brothers and sisters all over the world, whatever you do, always think about your home. It's a place where you will come back someday. Let's clean it up, let's build it up. Thank you, my Bamenda. Thank you, my homeland. God bless you, my mama. For the sacrifice for your children, I am proud of you. You are rich. I am proud of you. You are strong. You defeat the whole Cameroon, like Africa in the one land. My Bamenda. My Bamenda. all the hardworking sons and daughters of this great Northwest region.
Thank you so much, Mommy and Papa. Them, all my way don't join this show just now. As soon as I know the first information I want to do, and I say, time between America and Ground Zero, it don't change by 1 hour. When we say before the 1st of November, the time difference will be now exactly 5 hours difference, but now I don't go now 6 hours. So, like for Washington DC here, I think for 1:36 p.m. So for Ground Zero, if we get for dinner instead plus 5 hours, we go there 6:36, but now 7. So then at 7:36 now for Ground Zero. So that time don't change. So depending on which state, California get different time with Maryland and the DMV area. I get different state. Texas get 1 hour ahead of we or behind. So you each time in those things and they online, just check them for no state where a person there and for no the time difference. Now why do we always put time for show now according to Ground Zero time, because all man can easily check which time be Ground Zero for your own side. Now I will talk this one in plain language. We don't see another series of killings for Balinyonga, and now the intention that for Cameroon government. We don't count, we don't lose count of the number of people the way that government don't kill them deliberately. I underline the word deliberately. Now what's that Cameroon government don't do? Once you join the type, congratulations to the CDN, that's Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation. I will come for them very soon and will do some comparative analysis. I will also bring another link. But I talk them very clearly. For all man we don't know, time don't reach. And one thing about Eric Tato, when I don't start talk something, I'm ready to stop it. Time don't reach way. We got to move the war away from our villages. Why would we focus on major areas and for the citizens inside Ambazonia? We got to get more focus inside the Republic of Cameroon. Now the discussion again for the negotiate. Say whether international community go think say waiting, they go think say waiting. No! My turn on one thing. You see, the way they operate. Now when the oppressor, when they give leverage for the international community to exploit resources, now when it be hardest hit, when security not there for some person for come for London, land for Yaoundé or Douala, that time they will discuss. But so long as we remember Boya, mountain land for Yaoundé, land for Douala, it not get no problem. For he Cameroon they fine. For he Amazonia no in any border. But that gonna change. My turn I want it. When I see they take this other former soldier, I don't want even call himself say black leg. Nambere, no be name way. No man know the from Ambazonia way, no Nambere, so I didn't give no publicity. All man know it. When I see the techie go Kumba, he go up with mop. He talk say Kumba for inside Ambazonia. For tell na one thing, for 2 waka, when the Republic of Cameroon don't go Kumba, they don't confuse. The 3rd waka na today, and I will tell na why way that particular minister, Atanga Nipo, he will go Kumba the first time I go for that school. I will show you something. Now give me 1 minute. All man for know that the Republic of Cameroon already be completely confused. And I went to the thing that way we have to understand the way the revolution function. Okay, thank you so much. Once you join, you share extensively. You get everybody on the show. The Republic of Cameroon, it bring number for can talk about ghost town. So when I look at the situation, when I see why we don't already get victory times 10, we don't get victory times 10 because when La Republic is bring ministers them, they don't be succeed for convince people. SGO not be succeed for convince people. Say, me they not lock that shop them. They go bring a number and then they can threaten people. He got to tell you something. We are gone. Ambazonia is gone. You see, that's what they call desperate measures. When man say, "I not be Dio," it name you that the number of people that they don't fail for enforce that no goes down from Ambazonia. You listen to the video. I will play a more and listen. Man, bring that first video. He said, "I not be Dio. I not be S-Dio. I not be mayor. I not be this." It will tell you, it will name the people that don't fail. So to tell you how important the resilience of the Ambazonian people they. Mommy and Papa, fellow Southern Cameroonians, all men were there for refugee camp. Across the globes, all the globes of the Wemapu S to the globe. Remember one thing, no man of it take their land from you. No man of it take their house from you. They feel only try but not succeed. Ambazonia don't already be liberated. I might tell you one thing, when you see some people they just say Facebook country, tell them say yes. Even Donald Trump, he highest campaign then on Facebook. All countries of the world, they run the country on Facebook. Now only you see the problem of Cameroon now because La Republic of Cameroon don't get good network, they don't get good internet, they don't even know a lot of things then because the country be broken. So that you say for open for Facebook now, you should know everybody is on social media. How would you Atanga and Paul will do live show today for Ministry of Territorial Administration now on Facebook? It was about Cameroon book or about handbook. So we don't really move. We don't really move 2 billion miles ahead of Cameroon. When you see Kumba people, one thing you don't know, Poe de Kumba, Atanga and Paul come the first time. He began to go for that school, but what happened? Military motor armor car. If 4, when you be there for move and a caterpillar can move for that for Mother Francisca, 2 of us, Kumba Pro will tell you. But I'm telling you, this is the development. That is why if you go for that school, because they be fear no armor car was there. After we don't criticize, I asked them in my last 2 shows, they say, I think like before can come about wait to be again. Every school in of visit them. Now here for that show. They listen and say, oh, they talk so. They say they talk will make for the office. They go narco bring. They go income visit school. And the reason why we are not before Atanga you come out Yaoundé for camp for inside Kumba. I be already get the information since. The only reason I get information like 10 hours before you enter Kumba. And we plan a serious attack. But because the time is short, we don't do a lot of mobilization. Now, why I not announcer? I will show and proof. For that, I get the information. When I get the information, I post them on some group. After I don't care, I post on some group where most journalists they didn't have today. Some they take and get the post and say, Atanga and Yipo is coming to Kumba. We'll get that Cameroon government for our palms. I'm not telling you the reason why you see they bring Nambere for them. Kumba population listen, Ambazonian listen. They didn't bring the people now because they get your interest and you go open your store. Now they let come because they want to say, me Atanga and Yipo can visit that school where town function. And the first thing that. Number 2 thing, Cameroon will fight tooth and nail for kill ghost town because the nations cup the camp. You know that Kumba, Boya, Limbe. Remember I say 2 training stages are there for Kumba, for Boya and Limbe. So you know say with ghost town, those players know the ambiance no go there. When players they train for, they go look at. Now when I say the struggle, and me be clear. Me be clear. Nations Cup no go take place for inside Amazonia. Yes. Me be clear. Any player for any country, me no get war for that country. Let me see. Let me time with diplomacy, soft talk. Not there for war time when it is on the ground. On the ground and fire. When I go senator office, go to the office, they talk small voice. But now me and Republic know one thing. Anybody join, if you not share this show, share. If you not share, you share. So that goes down. Man make a very clear point about Monday goes down. Monday goes down be obligatory. It be compulsory. Listen very attentively. Monday goes down there, date of birth. You need to forget your birthday. Your age, your date of birth, you must know your age for enter, for write any exam. Age, date of birth. Now so Monday goes down there. No man, any man will disrespect the Monday go stand, treat it like how they treat military. We don't leave any other thing, we don't emphasize any other thing that go on. But Monday, now law, listen very attentively. You don't get opinion about Monday. It is how the governor of Maryland will talk say, because coronavirus don't increase with the lockdown, me no man not go restaurant between this time to this time. Before you will go, but because of COVID-19, they don't shut down some places. You must respect that law. When we get the free Amazonia, people will get freedom of assembly, freedom of this at any time to exercise their right. But when there is war, there is no democracy in war. We'll be over lenient. For the league board, they even give counter opinion about our revolution. Like I see some journalists, one can claim, they say, you see, people, they only can condemn Amber. When they know that government do all those things, we don't tolerate them again. Yes, from today henceforth, we don't tolerate them no more. If you never WhatsApp group, you feel say 1 minute about Amber, we will get you. Take them very clearly. We will get you. From the WhatsApp group, we're going to track you and get you. No more, listen, we're there for war. Listen very attentively. All the two people, the man can't say, Amber did this, Amber did not do this, we will not take it no more. Get it very clear. It will not happen again. If you never WhatsApp, if you don't want to condemn your military to do it, stay neutral and stay quiet. You don't have the guns, don't talk. That's it. We don't get enough. Any man when you talk with no gun, will carry. It's enough, enough is enough. Get them very clear. We will respect our population, but we don't take any like the public agent where we won't be spin doctor for social media. It will not happen. Yes. Now me every time I talk, from today henceforth, we don't get enough of this killing for Southern Cameroon when a social movement the cause because military kill, then we not do harm. We not can't make noise for social media. No more. It's over. When I see people they can't talk say, when you won't get opinion, come for debate. That way CDN organize debate. Not stay back, military go keep picking for Kumba. You can't call an Amber. You know what happen? Any man, listen, will not get no ready-made court for inside Amazonia. Any person where if he can make noise for social media, will get it. Get it very clear. Now me Gary master the talk. Marco. And see, Martin, one thing. You see all the activists that they fear for talking because they feel say, oh, they think I arrest you do this. Listen, me, I'm a warlord. I talk and I act. I don't talk today and I'll see repeat that. Say me all man know. Wait what don't happen for Bali. That beginning they kill and then 3 will kill at least 3,000 picking them to a francophone zone. No, that's the point. Because when some people they see the thing, they can feel say they think a joke. You see how they go keep picking them for Kumba. Keep picking them, kill and 7. The same minister where SDO keep picking them. He come out go there for go sympathize. They get some hooligan there for Texas on our side there. He can talk say, he bring a screenshot, can talk say, this screenshot there so, now so, yeah, I can authoritatively say that Amber did this, Amber did not do that. But for how many minute video we do, he even lies say call me. The man where he call, all time he call na your voice, but I won't call me go bring na some girl can fix some voice. Hear my voice today, no hear. You hear all man 90% of interviewees, they tell you say na military. You look at the pointer. I tell you one thing. Kumba see the fresh one mind. Kumba see the fresh one mind. And Cameroon will get any opportunity for escape the massacre for Kumba. Yes. If you want to listen, I tell you one thing. When I see Amber, then you waste time. You see me, I the action man. When I see Amber, you waste time. You discuss issue about Kumba, the deliberate who kill this in Kumba, who not kill this. With black legs and the Republic agent, they say no what you do. Ask any man for WhatsApp group and he reply me talk about Kumba. When man write nonsense, forward this on team in favor of the Republic about Kumba, we know all things that point, we don't bring the proofs. Then the Republic kill Kumba. And any man where they say they support the Republic for the issue, we'll get you. Yes, we'll get you. Me be clear. Now me I talk. Take a very clear. We will start for the houses and from down. My don't one thing. War get stages. I don't tell me school go. All school can be protected. All churches be protected. All hospitals be protected. But no spin doctor for social media ever be protected. And if your papa, your mommy, listen, if you make noise for WhatsApp group, I will find somewhere your house day. Instruct Amber boys and make a flatten them because you be military person. There is no way they can kill our children. You can't online, you can't defend them. The military way kill our people. When they be killed from Gabu, you know, none of them be talk. Get them very clearly. This is war. Me be clear. And in noise, see, all markets and for the Republic of Cameroon will go down. Why sometimes they say, oh, you know, some of us IDPs or refugees were selling in Douala market. Listen, when I get a 0.00 minus percentage of Douala market, anything, they were the instructions say don't go to Douala market, no go. You go there, they will burn you plus the market. Yes, see, my turn I want to now listen very attentively. When I know how many people they want to come, when I know how many people between Manchum BBC and MCR militants now who commit more crime. But Manchum they jail for lesser crime than Maurice Kamto. And is that justice? Is that justice? That's what I'm asking you. So Cameroon therefore know. All the schools in Bafoussam, Douala, Yaoundé, when I don't see what you happen for Yaoundé yesterday, no, we not talk. When I don't see what you happen for Yaoundé yesterday, when I don't see what you happen, when I don't see how more is coming. All those bus stations will put them down. Nothing will function in the Republic of Cameroon. Now, me every time at the top, quote me anywhere. Any man with both CDC will get you, will make sure say, will make you return into planty. Get it very clearly. There's no joke about it. There's no joke about this. We don't get enough for the rubbish from Cameroon government. And me be clear. Me be clear. Probably I don't want to keep picking them. They keep picking them for Kumba 7 every more. And then when you come out and talk say, they try to vex me. Now because of poor they say they can make politics. For talk say, nah, Amber. If you imagine, say they go keep, you know how many francophone schools they for Amazonia? Only for Kumba, man name himself that for Fako. GPHS Limbe, he got how many thousand francophone picking them for day? If you end up they kill all francophone picking them. If I've been in this show and I put that for YouTube, we'll share it for WhatsApp. They can make noise. Tico Lycée, belong there for Tico. Ombe na mix. What can you imagine? And then that very school, that bilingual school, the Amber will leave all the French people go kill all the Anglophone picking them. They're all picking them for Kumba. Oh, like believe that nonsense. If you imagine. You can imagine the lies from the regime. But I want to tell you one thing. We don't identify everything we own for southern zone, for northern zone. We'll put it down. Tabetandu on them, down. Ayokta Kunchum for Manfe, down. All the fighters now take responsibility for various counties, various states. Any person where now authority, whether for Yaoundé, whether for that CPD regime, anything we own them, we flatten them, we go and farm them, cut everything for them. That's the way forward. We don't get enough from these people. So now can see my turn on one thing. Listen, we will be ready for the longest resistance in the world. Yes. We don't give up. Never, ever happen. When I look at it, every night they don't kill 10, they don't kill this. Why the poor, they didn't even finish, they only kill. Every day, nobody say they don't kill the whole body, they don't go kill for body, no. Imagine, the poor that part in that. Make you go to kill, burn bike, burn villages, you do anything. No, listen. Mark turn on one thing. Yesterday, between today, mark this day I talk. Between today, why I talk so, today now wait till I look the date. Now in this situation, Monday, November 2nd. Before the week will end, situation happen for either Bafoussam, Douala, Yaoundé, or maybe a Bolova, and those Osia. We don't already did it. We'll put things down. Yes. All the schools then will shut them down. Listen. Listen very attentively. This is not a joke. If we say taxi not going to work for Douala, not work, we know what to do. When you put it, hold on. Who give Cameroon the right for what the key was proposed there? Who give Cameroon this right? We take one camion, we run on the market, we don't care, na 30,000 people, they go down. That's not our business. We don't have to get quiet. Amber leaders, we got to get up. Enter there, take the responsibility. You need to hear what's in the world is. Cameroon not the key for them. Look what's in the run for Bali. They come out Kumba, go pick Babanki, go Babanki Chungo. All sides they kill people. Plus the one they want to know. Nonsense. And then man the worker for Douala, the feel free. No, no more. If we keep picking for Mother Francisca, if we keep picking to Olysse Leclerc, yes, the whole place is crazy. That's how we're going to do it. If you imagine the wickedness, and when I see one bring debate about Kumba, so no 90s or whatever text that say na Sako gang, who's because it's na Sako I will tell you today till tomorrow. Now one party be responsible for the massacre. If it coordinated by the SGO for Meme, Chamberlain, if you go for my show where I talk all things for a screenshot, the major factor for determining the facts in that screenshot, it always play on the ground. SGO talks about they go catch that woman we get that school. True or false? Before that day when that screenshot come out, they don't catch that woman. They catch the woman after. The woman they sell. If you ever hear to SGO the talk where divisional delegate the talk for secondary education, I will play me on my ear. So we cannot do this. Every day, kill our people as though they are fowls. Are we guinea pigs for experiment? We are not. Now me every time I talk. Nonsense. It's over for the Republic of Cameroon. We don't give that land for no reason. No number of deaths, no give that land. No number of houses, no give that land. We'll fight to the last man, and we are taking it across the Mongo. Ban anything we say for Douala, now me talk. When they talk to us now, every cat will send you. Nonsense. You go keep picking them. They come here, can't talk. You know one thing, see, matter one thing right. When I don't know, where should go on for the well. Something or day so one man. I get family, no doubt. I know a lot of the world say, oh, my picking, my this, my husband, my friend, my sister, all of them, they worry. But one man therefore give head for the team to succeed. I want to count my head as part of that head. Yes, you got to sacrifice. What difference does it make? It's because I've ever before Cameroon, nothing ever happened. You know, ever happened. I swear to God, listen, my turn one thing. You know, me, anytime you work, one thing on my head, anytime I can die. I'm not scared. Yes, I need fear. Yeah, I don't fear that one. I need Cameroon no. Now me I don't talk. When I will see havoc for inside that Republic area. Any man, listen, all that bosses them, Mankenene, Melon, all those areas, all them, Susa, all those areas, down. We to enter village for inside Mbanga, kill the whole village, we fit do. Me Cameroon me know that one. We fit do. All Amber fighters on a for you. Now I want to say me no man not show your face nowhere. When I saw what happened for Yaoundé yesterday. They don't report that no. Me I need to report that story. Before today, this week will end. Maybe I want to talk tonight or hear something. I need to emphasize when it don't happen, I don't pass at the go. We have the techniques. We can plant bombs in all the areas in La Republic du Cameroon. So me be clear. If you join, share the show extensively. If you know share the show. Me La Republic no. You know they not keep people there. Keep picking them. Then people they come on Facebook can they talk nonsense. Who give you the guts? Because you talk say for a while, we some debate there between we and Una. You know what gun you talk? Listen. Listen very well. This is called an armed conflict. Armed. Mr. Somanga gun. It means a gun be involved. Not be Facebook conflict. Not be comment section conflict. Not be analysis conflict. Now, armed conflict. So if you don't have guns, don't talk. I got the guns on the ground. Look at some useless people. And I don't carry your opinion. Who are you? If you are not an armed conflict supporter, stay quiet. The issue then are between we, Amba, them armed, which is the Republic of Cameroon. Not you want claim say whether you federally say wait, not concerned with. You're not concerned with the discuss down with our Republic. We not get time with that discussion. Get them very carefully. If you make noise, you like Germany, you don't know where you not be armed conflict person. We will find you for down, make a me yes sound for gun. We know who's to find you. Might get the point. And from today, any man when it comes to social media, therefore WhatsApp, you get your number, you get your pictures. You can't make noise about the crisis when you talk about gun. Either you therefore the Republic, declare your position. We not get two parties for the war. Listen very attentively. There are not two parties in this war. There are not three parties in the war. There are two parties. We will get gun and the Republic will get gun. Finish. We don't need your opinion. Not be probably they get blocked when they lie about musicians. Remember they not comment about what issue. That's it. Make them very clear. If you don't get gun, not talk. Now make sure I talk. All these bloggers say they work and make noise. This is not about opinion. There is no opinion in war. It's gone. Get it very clearly. We're going to listen to the people that have been directly affected. When a school picking their mommy, they'll give them back home to go to school. The rest, put it in your bag, zip it and carry it to your workplace. Not make noise. Yes. Me be clear. If you make noise for Europe, Britain, any side way day, we'll find you, track you, and then on the ground, any property you get down, we will convert it into an armed conflict property. It should be clear. Now I don't around here because we don't laugh for too long. We don't relax the rules. There's a point don't get power for carry talk. Amba do this, Amba did not. No, no more. No more. Any man, father for church, preach your gospel. Talk about you here. I will investigate so you lie. Well, me be clear. All man will know. Any man draw your line. This year, listen, matter one thing. Not be election this. Not be election America. I say Democrat, Republican, for they go vote. No. Vote not for Southern Cameroon. Now I'm conflict. Yes, now I'm conflict. Get them clearly. You don't get guns. Stay quiet. Because if you make noise, now I get guns to shut you up. What the hell? No more. All the noise for Facebook and for waiting. Who can give them right for can't talk to you? We go to show, listen, man, they can't talk, say, SGO did not do this. Imagine. Say, beside them, Cameroon, you go for go defend SGO. I know I'm vexed with no person. You see me, Eric, that all. Ask my history. Ask them. They'll tell you. When I want something, we'll be legit at the getter. When the fight will start, plenty people they start before Eric that all. But today, they see fight the fight. Plenty people don't shy away halfway. You know how many conspiracies don't bring on Tony Boy head? I still there because I'm flying with the wings of God. God don't give me wings. We'll get for God till the last place. Yes. We'll get for God to go pay homage for Pan Johnny to me with the belly for Boya. That's our land. You can't be pulled any more cash you don't hear. You give opinion. Maybe the military went this way and then the amber passed this way. We'll not get time for that grammar. Go do that thing for Sase. And Bishop Hogan and those boarding school them. We need to talk grammar for now. Gone with the talk. Now gone. And the gun that go now for Douala Yaounde Boloa Kribi, Mankenene Melon, Souza. Cameroon will fight English fight. No matter true. If we don't take 100 boys and defy the inside Cameroon, one day, me they can go the bomb or blade, they will burn their own too. It's that's it. So if you listen, and you talk, see, if you never, I swear to God, from today, if you never WhatsApp group, you don't get anything to talk about gun. Either it belong to the military, it belong to Amber. Two camps not there on this fight. Time when Barra will start, camps will be plenty. Unionists, federalists, that have been a debate. Now a gun don't enter. We don't to stay quiet. Opinion not there for war. Democracy not there. Not the US presidential election is. If you hurt you, give your opinion about US election online. Do your analysis. Do you want a war? They need analyze a war. See the no ratio and clearly say we will stand for independence. So if you want to get any debate, we don't give official channel. Go there, meet us CDN, or they represent your views. We don't get time for put them to talk all the nonsense for WhatsApp. Left, right, especially when concerned when they kill people. My play the video from the SGO for Meme Munasian. Yes. And now give me the video. I think call the person because Edeyo. Now, Dr. Ayamba, Secretary General for EGOVC. Now my source, I think quoting and I verify it be authentic. Now the first person who will share the video for me. First. And for you, all the whole social media they take for you. And these are the people who can say, oh, people in La Republic. But now they share to it and for you and damage La Republic. Hear the video very well. Hear where they talk say they down it attested or arrest that woman. Listen very attentively.
Sincerely, if that school was a government school, I would have been fired today. The principal would have been fired today. What that woman has done, she will not know what she has done. Being only in the Kumba Central Police is so modest.
So being in the Kumba Central Police so modest, suppose the guy saying an old video is not old as in the sense of being too old. You know, it means not recent, but now video for 2 days ago. And I talked to the first person about me now, Dr. Ayamba. That's not if you use them. Because yesterday I won't use them, but it was not very clear. When I see yesterday I won't show up on my show. You hear the delegate confirm saying for Kumba Central Police. Go read SDO in message where exchange with commander where he meet for we. Wait here, he talk say we have to arrest that woman. Let's get that woman and keep her in custody. Maybe they say investigation don't start. Now in this, they don't arrest that woman. When you see message, you corroborate with action. Wait till the thing. You say God no day of heaven. That's why it's action now. You see all the Cameroon agents there, they get a one target. Their whole struggle now to discredit that screenshot where a leak from the commander and inside where SGO send them. SGO get discussion with the commander. They struggle for discredit the screenshot, but no man. Man don't know one thing. I might take 5 minutes for talk something about journalism. If whether or not some of these amateurs and wannabes they like or not, I remain the strongest newsman in this revolution. I know discuss all these small boys that come to the way the other man they text I gonna cry with you. All these small picking the way they come. You know, first of all, for first rule for journalism, why I hear my video, the man call a minor. He ask the minor, say, is somebody around? They talk to the minor. Minor not going to give you interview. If you don't know, according to journalism terms. And you see, people they struggle for do a job. Journalism, they're a in a doctor. You must get training. You know what got today because Facebook they phone you, pick phone if you say one be journalist. No. You must go training for be what you get for be. So all we have to understand, so all these quacks, the way they can't claim say they investigate, they do this, can say, oh, now Amber do this. So one can talk say, you interview all man, they say, oh, now military move it close, each one for year, they see now military. So when they wear masks, only by the fact that man wear masks, enter school, not be Amber. Amber need to wear masks. You do interview when 90% of your interview with them. They tell you say na military, they like say na military. The rest of them even want to talk, they say they don't even know them, they don't even identify the people. But you can't talk say na military, na Amber. According to you, I want me to believe you. And then your own struggle now for discredit Eric Tato. Me, I not pick a degree for road. I learn them for school. Now, listen, journalism. I come the department. I come faculty for social and management sciences. I get a Bachelor of Science degree. Science. I do communication theory. So when I don't remain the most credible for the revolution, the Mother Francisca School, the first reporter na Eric Tato na National Telegraph, and the name and the number of deaths on campus and the date and time, no man about disputer. Not be so you can't stop if discredit. That screenshot it come up from SDO 1 billion%. And all man when a Amber no and Kumba Mami and they struggle for food. But not be succeed. It's clear. So people come out to you because you get Facebook, you want to say you want to be God soldier or Eric Tato. No. I don't reply people the way they don't know that left from the way it comes to journalism. I study journalism, I'm a career journalist, and I report with facts. So the story remains authentic. Any man will want to disprove that screenshot from SDO. Take SDO, ask SDO me give you the transcript for a discussion between that date, that date and 1 day after where that thing happened. If you don't see the very message, I will stop to talk on Facebook. I will resign for do the Amber job. Yes. So all we get to know that the Republic of Cameroon will be completely finished. At time and you put on discharge all the agents and they try to discredit that screenshot, but we're not there. Now one man is screenshot, one man will leak the information. They don't bring the whole Cameroon for discredit and not we know them. They use even some other people they call themselves say Amber people them. Today una become. When they make noise say no be that screenshot they so na so una wanna claim na support Sako. Una see what don't happen no. They don't come again can accuse na so una. Imagine say if that screenshot not be leaked from me. Imagine the disaster we forget of the revolution. But anyway, if this man they going to cry waiting, he accuse Sako, where not going to be Sako doing. He just tell us say why if we say all types of bad things happen, they point and towards Sako come. They chop money, they call Sako. Chop this because he's a bad man. Now when they tell all the chicken and mushroom supporters, they say, no come over can't fight Eric Tato. I will bring screenshot from SDO. When I go show for analyze and say na so. You dey analyze now wait to be your interest. Wait to be wrong. Say screenshot incriminate SDO and wait be pure and authentic. Now new video don't come out, they incriminate now. Why will do and I don't think can defend SDO. Look at people that like Bo Herbert. A complete failure for a journalist. It come out here, can he attack coalition for dialogue and negotiation? I will play some audio the moon here again. When I hear very attentive, give me 1 minute. So ambassadors they get to understand the way the function, the functionality for the revolution. You see? So you know, not be just sit down, any man who can say, okay, oh, na so get for do, not so get for do, everybody get a little bit scared. We get for focus, see revolution there, easy revolution for winner. And I will turn a strategy before I play some of these leagues. Imagine how a fighter they cry on the ground. My plan on the video wanna see them. Where now people now so people now picking them for calling where they 15 years, 20 years. Now they send them for me. My plan wanna see. When I go see them having a disgraceful message. See? Look at them. When I see the video. When I see them. Now video way na Sako go give rice, it came to go give rice for prisoners. I be telling I say waiting. Because when I see what the struggle push revolution ahead, This diabolic man and this is gang of thieves, pork. I will talk on today because all we are going to know, no way, not the way we feel talk say this man will be enemy for the revolution. And you are the claim to the support. They don't hear all those leaks. They never ever argue. Even Solomon Mambodo can confirm and say he be there for meeting. They don't hear the leaks there. Drop $2 million, $1 not there because of fake propaganda. Now when I see that say, I be telling I say this for the what I do videos for taking back their case for Attorney General. Now we don't get that external audit. Don't start Sako don't go for the first time for 3 years after I collect 1.4 million. He go get chopped for refugees. They go ahead but they for Chris Anu. The very Chris Anu way up in mop. It was a Swiss talk don't fail. Now La Republic talk una year. He can't lie say no they join you and do this. You need ever join. You need join voice. You need fake my voice. And maybe you join voice. What if you stop the voice? The man from saying don't talk those things. They hear the flow. You hear conversation. You hear conversation. Very you can argue. Now Sakoda don't go get chopped for refugee. After 3 years, you don't go use maybe 600 times for buy rice. For again. Because you find videos there. Show me any video. Me say about $1.4 million. After 3 years, going to 4 years, and you haven't given money and for money where probably the one that people they contribute and recently don't say you know if you hide the money again. The armed robbery for the revolution get for stop. See how report they cry, they keep picking up body everywhere. Give the picking and gone in the Republic of don't move out. But what's happen? Every day, Sako have a paper they mean they make audio. Now for couple they say talk the one. Now for couple they mean they do banner. That is not a revolution. That is the problem we have. See, okay, we now want to follow coalition for dialogue and negotiation. See what will happen. Man say if all ambassadors be come out go, you know what you want me. For the first time for the revolution, we don't get document where the show we say we'll get independence. With the show we say we want independence. We add a way to Kaduna to meet up. All Professor Monzo they come, when Dr. Monzo, Agbobalade, all them come, all those federalist unions they come, they join, but we still vote now for independence. Then go ahead. All they don't get money for parents. They come on Swiss. Each time they fly go, they get paid them maybe $5,000-$10,000. When they chop money, we come on go. You see? So that is the situation. This is where we are. And when I see now, when I see the whole coalition, not put over talk about say division, they know there's no division in this revolution. The main point of the revolution had the focus. Now Sarkozy always been querying. Bring up, imagine you bring activists, pay activists, make a lie so other person get HIV. Then you expect to put the feed ever listen to that kind of people. This is where we are today. If you take 1.4 million, assume I will still talk the thing. Just think and say if Sako will take only half that money, 700,000. He invested for business, only car washing or something. You know how much money for the generator for 1 month? You know how much money for the generator for 1 month? Here's something where coalition don't come. If you get all no one for Granzio. If man tells you to go meeting, go all family meetings. Even the smallest class meeting, prefect meeting for school, divisional delegates when I'm meeting them. Even farmer association when I'm meeting, drivers meeting, every Okada union put no where some they not even go to school. Hashtag which be the first thing for a meeting. The first thing where it contain a meeting, they call and say waiting. It start with letter A. Mr. Man hashtag the answer for myself. The first thing where it concern meeting, it start with letter A. Put the hashtag man see. And once you put, you know the answer. The first thing, Mr. Man answer that question. If you know the answer, don't hashtag the answer. It start with letter A. The first thing. I want one answer. The first thing that waiting. It start with letter A. The first thing where it get when a part of a meeting, when I constitute a meeting, tell me it start with letter A. What is the name for that thing? The first thing, agenda. Agenda for meeting. Now the first thing that's open don't write an agenda. Now that. All my hashtag agenda. Now agenda. No meeting, not there for the world. We not get agenda. No meeting, no negotiation, nothing. Every time when you fake national dialogue, we get agenda, so they print and put the CM. Coalition for dialogue move agenda. Okay, the they move agenda. Say today we will start so every family meeting for una 10 una get agenda. Prayers, this and so on. Agenda na the first thing for meeting. Now agenda that answer you don't get two answer. Now what's the way constitute a meeting where a meeting won't start? Una don't follow all the way Sako they ever talk about Swiss. Tell me any ambassador with no agenda for Swiss. We don't ever see one. No more talk. Listen. Maybe at the talking team, I'll play this one of this thing again. Me all ambassador they take the eye, me they see. When I take una ear, una chop New Year. Listen, my play one year wait, maybe some of don't forget. I want to remind una. Wait, leave there they come out before I bring the other new one. When they come out inside Sako own group, where Elisimi talk and when they make Elisimi administrator for inside group when a press conference for being a doing an amber thing, they make black leg administrator. Listen.
Mr. Eric, let me come back to you. What is your plan with the presidency? The narrative.
Well, I'm just going to give you just a very brief outline because there are certain things that I discussed with the president that I don't want to really divulge here for now. The thing is, when I came in, I contacted Sister Comfort, and I think she's here, and we talked a little bit, and what I could ascertain was that, we had a press call forum, but the admin of that forum was actually on Ground Zero by the name of Ellie Smith. And that didn't sit well with me, and I think she had some problem.
When I hear that first thing, I mean for Sako a press call. Now Ellie Smith. No, minus what you Chris and talk say Swiss talk don't fail. Listen to what Ellie Smith tell them inside this. And Ellie Smith talk it to him before they go from act. Now when Ellie Smith start talk say this, they go Swiss, go take money, they bring the what, they bring the new thing, say act. Listen to Ellie Smith. They leak from Ellie Smith. Listen.
As we were saying, Dr. Sako, as I have also told Ebenezer, Elvis, John, and the rest, this Swiss initiative is a scam. A friend of mine who works with an international organization made it known to me. He spoke with the Swiss ambassador. The Swiss ambassador told him clearly that he was there as a straw man for a well-placed dignitary of this regime whose ambition is to become president. And then, but the first step was to convince you people to accept decentralization. I have no problem with that. My problem is, if you are going to talk about decentralization, it should be in a dialogue, on the dialogue table, and on a level playing field. If you want to return to the Pacta Stone Servada of 1961, that is the two-state federation, there is no problem. If you want secession, there is no problem, but it should be done on the negotiating table with a mediator who is objective and neutral. That's why I'm advising you guys just to put the Swiss-led initiative at arm's length. I know them very well.
Mariano.
Well,
I want to listen.
Keshelman knows me. Ask him if he doesn't know me. I was the one who gave him your contacts because he never had your coordinates. And since I brought you guys in the whole thing, I'm advising you people to quit because history is the best adjudicator. You do not want to be second John Gufoncha or Indeli. But the difference between John Gufoncha and Indeli is simple. They had an ideal, but betrayed by the British. So I'm advising you people to quit and look for another mediator. It could be the United Nations, it could be some other European countries or Latin American countries. You are just going there to sell your people, if at all you had your people in mind. So that's the advice I'm giving you. And by the way, they have $20 million from the Canadians. Don't that ring a bell in your head? And I would like to tell you, my brother Sako, that, Mr. President, we are black Africans. We can fight, we can talk. So have the humility to quit with your people, or you'll be humiliated, and opt for another mediator like the UN or another European country. Because history will be your judge. And me, I'm a reporter. I know what it is. I've gone around. And when that friend of mine with that international NGO kind of chimed that bell, I saw like he was dangling a red cloth in front of a bull. So I'm advising you people to leave that thing. It's not a good thing. Leave the Swiss initiative. Opt for maybe the UN or other European countries. There are many European countries. There are also African countries. There are also Latin American countries. The world has a lot of countries. Why have this fixation on the Swiss?
When I don't hear no mommy and papa them. Now what we see when La République du Cameroun is as a CDN, it don't organize this big assembly. It don't do survey for know the put of mind. He release Bohebe them. Every day they have to accuse this thing, CDN. Oh, now when any man will follow the CDN conference, how you feel now after the lies way Chris Ano and Bohebe they tell now? Because they feel say any man they say he come, it don't mean a threat to the financial, to the milking strategy. Yes. Now point down, I don't hear information from them. They do all their life in propaganda. They create fake profiles to follow them. Lie people they can't call say they contribute for draft or convince you. All things they try to put 1 or 2 people down. That's how they operate. Now Kumba massacre that. When that them they say they don't take the mop. They give opportunity for some kind of people they can accuse them and for put that on top Amber. What is the difference between Sako and SDO for Meme? Now the same people. Now the same people. When I don't see how they come, they do audio. All man they accuse na Sako. But when I stand tall for talking that SDO do the job. The very Sako report that they can't deny say no, not be SDO. You feel imagine. You can imagine the wickedness where the people they get out of their mind. That's how they operate. I don't talk and I will talk clearly. No man of the America where in the work, in the do no business, they don't get nothing where to contribute for revolutionary cause say be leader. Now why I don't want a mini war end? How would you give some person that kind of money, the person take the money chopper? And then La République get the key where people they talk say no, we'll just calm down, we'll do this. I don't talk say no. We move into La République du Cameroun. That is it. And no man of it stop we. Nobody will ever stop we this time around. So when I see, look at the big mess where the guy they almost pull with for Kumba. Look at the mess. How when they feel, when they pop meat, when they win them. How when they feel? The guy for Houston, come on, not even know he left from the right. Because when I give bullet for take and shoot now. I bring screenshots of SGO. The only people that they climb on top for attack the screenshot. Now Sako people them. Oh, na see. And when I saw what they were doing. Now they instead go to fake my number. Bring fake profile. Because they want to try to put a point say the one na so, maybe na so. Only for bring controversy. Not be saying they don't know say that true. They know say that screenshot na SGO. Okay, look all the links them. Who's that the picker? Who's that? When I talk second meeting for governor's office, when I say I think they happen every day. So Ambassador I gotta stand tall. Now our revolution this. Not a revolution for fake pastors. Yes. All man for Grand Zero. When I see what you all do yesterday, we 3. I want to thank Mr. Cletus, thank Mr. Ignatius, and myself. We 3 yesterday will go for Beltway, the whole Beltway, for the work of Beltway, and see Trump from Washington, D.C., Maryland to Virginia, will parade with Trump, the caravan, the whole place will sell the Amazonian struggle to the American people. When I see all the caravan, when I see how they pass, I don't even show all the video. I will show up for the point never watch and be the same. So I mean, all man see which way we will do as individuals. Now Trump caravan that for bad way. You have to go get boss, a van, and that put all that genocide thing there for them. Come for you the same thing. Should all give flag for some white man.
Thank you so much. We are here today Sunday.
So this is how we are supposed to be working. Now Trump caravan, you have to find source information. No side where they meet up. Mr. Ignatius come here. Where in motor even get breakdown. He get to take Uber like 6 times to and from my house. Come this way he was sitting. Come here, bring the information, look and study and come on go print banners. And I look at for what, you know, because now I fight this will get for win. I'm basing on our land. You get the point. If I not be get my own money, or it should not be the work. Or the come there and say, okay, I want to say, okay, please, we need to contribute here. Trump caravan, before you want to finish contribute, Trump caravan don't finish. But we'll go there, I will tell now. We'll go there, he move in money. He move in money, he hire van. Then me, I buy American flag, buy extra amber flag, print the other thing they will put on there. And then we'll go, should go get every issue, the motor hand, we'll go for bring tow. Mr. Clayton Scam abandon his job. He became to start work for another 2 and for 4 o'clock. He got to go work late because of the event yesterday. There's a person who go sit down for a bedroom, make audio say, Eric Tatinala Republic. Me turn and not fire, then make that audio, so me I turn your court. Armed robbers. Now CDN that don't disgrace you now. I don't read resolution, read speeches about CDN, so they attire. The whole place now CDN. They keep what they don't keep king of Kumbade. Kill one of Bali. Not yet king from Swiss government more. Swiss government don't get cheese. Cameroon man body for a more. How do you talk? You yet to even that white woman talk. You yet to Dr. Nakilo na who talk. The other doctor, the other lady. So your shidon, person your shidon okay. You're gonna make audio. Every tattoo gonna punish you. Nyamfuka. Armed robbers. Oh, no, no, for thief. Make audio. When they all Biden campaign, they don't pass the camp for all na state them, all counties. What are they for America? None of them don't come over, they go do anything. Look, the last month, I don't do 4 protests, me want 4. Do one for Prince George's County, Pigeon Mall, do the other one for Trump, he hospital this thing, go for airport, then the recent one yesterday. My own money, my own fuel, everything. You don't need plenty of people for go change the game. Because it be personal. All my way people they die for Grand Zero. Sakode will take a contribution chop. December remain na 30 days or na 28 days. We wait that money for draft. That 2 million I bring a soccer show and I distribute them. When I'm feeling I'm going to write for Facebook, I have tell and say this thing na armed conflict, not be Facebook conflict. Although get right to do what you get to do the communication part for Facebook. Not people can lie. Because when I work that every day on the lie, every day. When I think, look at somewhere like Christian. How Sisi could do pick it can make it wait it, I don't understand. No background check. You bring a pastor when you get $0 for your account. Even all level is struggle for pastor. Struggle about them and no way. No formal training in terms of communication. Everybody don't country, they do Scrum, do Agile, do IT, they go PG College, they go University of Michigan. Everybody they upgrade. Chris then for thief money from Ambazonia. Everything for thief money, Ambazonia money not for thief. Then coalition will do their own thing. Struggle. You know how much they pay for that survey? You know how much they do for build that website? You know how much they run that Zoom? You know how much that people they spend on? Then you get the guts. You get a broke ass nigger like Boherbert. Very poor and dirty minded papa. Papa in respect said wicked man because you don't see now man that be coach Chris every day say Chris lie, they do this, they don't chop money. Today I don't mean that friend because that's the only way. Irrelevant. It's an irrelevant man. So look all the day for Washington DC with me. When I for Grand Zone, I watch. When I say I go this side, go this side. Who said that supporters the day they go? The first thing they do after how many months now for lies they get me to senator when I fake. And these are the armed robbers in the revolution. These are the armed robbers. We get plenty of it do. We go to churches, the biggest cathedral that they teach them. I come out today for see some mammy for bow here. It tells you this is how we're supposed to do. You should put the only thing as strategy. Yes, I know, Papa. Say na so go to put the thing as strategy how we move revolution ahead. The one that come with your idea. I say yes, we are thinking about this. This is how supposed to. But Sako is doing now waiting. Sako is thinking about call some person to say go talk say the man get HIV. You come man where you get a seizure, fainting fit in Jengu. Make a lie about person. Both know you very well. You see, this is the situation we have in this revolution. Can we want to put one man me oppose all man? Okay, we now want to do like claims that I suppose Sako no get job. He no get no degree, na fake pastor. Then look the point they come for CDN. Dr. Christopher Fomignon, Barrister Bobga, Agbobala, all man where come they get sense pass Sako, get money pass Sako. Get righteousness pass Sako, get honesty pass Sako, get integrity pass. Then I got to say in our republic team. Clap for yourself. Even me, Atanga Achiri Kamde, Mark Barata no where he's a representative. Me, why I don't talk about CDN for the longest time. I not do no video. Because it not being necessary. CDN is certified, is working for the good of 8 million people to settle the conflict. I don't need to go do video. Say, I want to talk about CDN, one not talk. I want to talk about the conflict, one not talk. So CDN will remain for the follow this revolution in the name of the Ambazonian people. Oh, if you don't want to share this show. I say get leak all Joaga for plan for the leak. I know I bring the leak. If you don't know, now share them. I know my show now when I see the leak, maybe I say the joke. The real leak now come out. I will put them today at the end of the show. So you get armed robbers, criminals, illiterates. You see, now when I call people and have a phone, you don't even when I want to pressurize people to vote, you don't pay even Trump and Biden for election. Hey, are you in Michigan? Make sure you vote for Trump. Hey, are you in Arizona? Make sure you vote for Biden. That's why they couple and they draft. You know what draft? You know what? Can't draft. Can't take my hand go draft them. Nyamfuka. So now they announce all the announcements. Say they have drafted. Now at the corner call. See, armed robbers, thieves. But they want TV today. You supposed to go. You claim you hate Eric Tato. Who cares? Who cares? Who know you? Who know you? No, we'll be honest. Who care about you? Who care about hatred that my mind you talk true? If I hate me at 10, I get 2 billion supporters. Now why are the platform remain the most watched? When I always can't hear why the Hitler Republic talk to them. When I was there, when I 1.62 thousand. Why is that hit Sako and go? We'll remain with 1.5. It means we'll get more support. When I go bring picking them, chicken them, picking them, they don't know, so I go buy good thing, they don't have a brush your hair. And I go bring them, they can't find Eric Tato. What are you there today? I don't make them so like a green. Whoa, cut up a lumber, very soft. Insects. That's what you put do. Probably there you keep what you go there, I put the right. No, you go do no protest. When I get parliament today, like Senator Tefo send me this thing. Man, don't forget about this. After they will put up from my wall. If you want to see, if you go from my wall after this, you scroll down, you talk about some petition for sign. All man go sign that petition. Therefore, they go see Salazar post on my wall. I think yesterday or 2 days ago. Follow the link now for US resolution. Follow and sign everything we have to sign. Put your signature there. No go. And I forgot about this frustrated gangsters and for Chris Anu. Chris Anu, if you don't go bring boy, they can certify a lie. Now me for the washing. All that time for their life now conspiracy. That's a drop out from school. You know nothing. My ask now what I mean about all the ABC people them. When they produce news, when they produce news. When I use information on Ambazonian people, apart from conspiracy, when I go every day on a one meeting, 99% of the meeting I will talk how to come full Ambazonian people. You see? I don't wait tell now. So when I put the man say, every time you talk about Sako native man at the FBI. And now I said move all the leagues and so armed robbers cannot be tolerated in this revolution. Sako is an armed robber, big thief man. I'll talk and today. Well, I want to say Sako, I say, so I'm going to say, okay, Sisiko 2 is here. I say, how that one concern me? If whether Sisiko is what? How in fact say Sisiko be what you think and stop the fact say man not talk say Sako thief. They say, okay, I say, bring me one proof for sure any financial this thing for Sisiko I will talk about them live. Give me the documents. But I have documents of Sako's thievery, his misappropriation. That's an armed robber. How can a man, you go use money for one gun, buy crap, chop them for America? Don't bring external ordinance. Sakona, you go buy this one, go come do video. Who's that video there for 3 years? 1.4 million disappear. You never work in a hotel by hotel, you are in what? You are going to go chop crap, go rent motor. When they want to put, they say, listen, misappropriation, they different with thief free. All not thief for a form, but Sako thief, not thief. Because you take money, when you go swap card, if you give money, say, okay, if you get mismanagement, say, you give money for G1, say, John, G1, say, go buy this. John, go and you take your money, you go buy a laptop and iPhone for girls and can't go Nigeria. Go sleep the whole Lagos. You give one, get one laptop, take one more. Give one, get one iPhone, take one more. That's what John G1 was doing. He was exchanging laptops and iPhones for sex. That is a fact. But Sako, own case, he chop out Iringwa. If you see credit card, the way swap out, you can't say no, maybe they get the money, guns is not rich. So you go buy gun and inside crap. Or you go buy gun for inside handbag for Messi. Or Enterprise, he said gun. When I'm not saying he said gun. No, we'll be honest. And when I come here, when I can't talk, we want to know, come in and say, okay, he has stolen, so what should we do? So he has stolen, you know that he has stolen. They still want to deceive people how you people are doing with Comfort and the patient are being done, the criminal pharmacist in California. California, they one of the best donors, but patients are being done with the other man, if he head there for back, he back there for front, that they don't confuse California people. That's what they do. And some of them California people, I won't come up, when I go to cry. When I see, when I tell you America, when I stay for California, for hard for democracy for America, yet when I see leaks them, how they do things, they come out, child, why man, you wash your hand, when I go to behave the why man. When you all will be trust Sako me, but you don't go thief, I leave me. They will tell me say I must carry, on our own, any man way, it costs Sako and La Republic. When I'm the biggest La Republic, you know that. They accuse us, so I'm going to keep picking up Kumba. When I SDO do one. And why? Because you support SDO. Armed robbers. When I want to buy views, buy fake profiles, create groups in 20s to share. When I share, you see, Comfort for their life, you get 200 share, 50 views. So the point they share, they go, sir, when I enter different profile, share. But they are looking for the show. When I know they're normal, you guys are sick. Yes. So my shows are going to be La Republic will hit the hard crossbow across the Mungo, then bring Sako for Ground Zero to know who this armed robber is. He's an armed robber. When I see your man, let's see. There is one leader of the interim government, Ayok Tabe. That one against him in politics is not concerned. But my turn, so long as I did for the America. And I think after I said why way, when I never see they quote Sako for any media. When I go talk, they call me. Ask every time, do you know who is the leader? I said, no, it's Ayok Tabe now. I'm a reference. Any media, BBC, CNN, Voice of America, they go learn from me for ask my opinion before they publish. I want to see my mob slice na slice. Some they say Sako, only slap I will slap my mob myself. You cannot. You are a thief. How can you be a leader? You don't work. You work at the change to them on money. Thief one money go do things. They will want to can't talk nonsense. Now the revolution with the fight against Atanganji against Paul Biya, what's the difference? I've ever looked Sako said don't people at Tanganji because of a thief and corruption. No, I can't talk. Listen, imagine one thing. If you hate Erica to you, still can watch me. And he bet you, you be Sako, you sold it. Yes. You when I don't know how many, when I don't have a time and you pour and when they started and they for Pobia, when I don't know how many handful, when I don't know how many, 70 something. When I go to see this platform, everybody comes here to get the truth. I'm robbers and when I know. Usually go see them where you see they come for show, they cry, share. They write ABCE1, they write share like 6 million times, pin on the whole place. And I go call all the fake price, but I can't share. Like the one to say just share, they keep up the phone, go inside, go. That's what you do. Thieves of the highest order. Man, see that nonsense. Come on, talk about coalition for dialogue and negotiation. When I insult a genuine process, when I bring independence. And as long as the man will tip money, one thing not the official for. After 3 years, we Sako tip for money. Don't come on, say every time to leave us. So listen, matter one thing, when I see me, as I don't hang on to La Republic, I say hang on to Sako. La Republic bring if you say you can disturb me. When I be stand at the main noise say, oh, people can insult, you can do this. When I can't coach them, I see. All the woman here, you can't coach every time. I coach on a back for the same corner, I don't come in. Now not become. See as revolution they move. Would go ahead, on audio. When I take audio share and they say audio na proof. Someone go shop a bedroom. You maybe you see yourself na person not be able to pay the 1 bedroom you stay in. You go make audio for your pass all man. Fellow Ambazonians, this is the waiting and so on and so forth. See people, see person like Chris Army, an armed robber, an illiterate, when you no left from the right. Mine no right no script point. You know get no self if you making reference. In the right now, you know every manuscript where anybody can edit can do anything. Look at our revolution, where we are. After 3 years, all the money will contribute. The leaks are coming, calm down. Let me finish my job here. So you see, criminals, armed robbers, this is what they do. Okay, take for example, ask yourself, say Chris Army, you are waiting. At this time for the revolution, not the time where all Ambazonians they never release, they talk about their assets. Where is Sako working? Where has he ever worked? House of man people come for say they make it IG waiting. It first thing he go pay na citizenship with money. Who's that all money for citizenship lady? And can you talk? When I go follow social media, 99.99% was all man with Ambazonian no say Sako na chief man. All man know. Now end up big na only 2 years now when I want the Kumba issue, they want take una for dirty Ambazonian of the Kumba issue. But it's not going to work. We're not going to allow that happen. Yes. The boy they claim they call me a wrong call. Me they call me. Today I come over working interview with Pepe Room, Nigerian blogger. Call me live on Nigeria. Bring me for Instagram. The man go there for every get my number. They say he send a game he can call me. Hello Eric Tato. Hello Eric Tato. The own phone now. The phone the network is end up a room. The network without my phone then from year to year. You call me end for year. You know reach Beijing. Look at that America. So you see, armed robbers cannot be tolerated in this revolution. Armed robbers will never ever. Look at I don't know one thing. No, one thing. First thing, you see Chris Army, the way he communication skills, he did below standard. He be amateur better passing. You want to start a live show, you take 30 minutes of play music because it won't be platform because you know say where you come no man will watch you. So you just struggle, put not get nothing or the join. When you do for a 2 minutes music, because they teach you for communication, your music, they like jingle. Normally, 2 minutes over plenty. I gotta start talk because remember, say, person you come on work after can watch that show. Any man can watch that show in other live. He see music for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, you know, watch the show. He will skip plenty in there. The jingle never been just 30 seconds, 1 minute, maximum. A man said, go talk something, but look at the day you watch them for YouTube and Facebook. They need pass 15 seconds. You get the point? So all we have to understand that these facts have been very, very important. So the Ambazonian people get to move towards the path for freedom. Now one Ambazonian day, we got one interim government where they for jail. Anything for you a joke. I'm not telling all the people they waste their time. No man, no ever. When I've been here to Chris and talk, I've been planning here. They never ever get any diplomatic win. Never. Never. No diplomatic win. I've been planning here. When I give me 1 minute for come for the other league them. It's important. More put the city team. So when you see people that behave in this manner, you begin to ask yourself, yeah, no, now you listen. So now listen very well. Mona hear for yourself, mommy and papa them. It be so frustrating. Say we there for year, they lie with for 3 years. If you don't want to share this show, share. Listen. Now, Chris and that, listen very attentively. If you know how to share the show, share the show. Yeah, I'm robber, Chris Army. When I don't put me, yeah, they say, oh, now somebody tell me say they discuss something, but this is another Kumba attack, say something fair for Kumba. Nothing. Nothing. They don't get no information.
The year is almost over. Nobody in this IG has secured an invitation to meet a Secretary of State somewhere or a president somewhere. I mean, think about that.
I will live and so. So me all man see. Now they talk so they know me talk nobody anywhere, but they fool I put it for ground zero. All man when I'm Bazonia, you know I share this show, make sure you share. You comment, you click on like, you love the show. Always click on like, click on love, and then you will hashtag now. Congratulations, Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation. Tomorrow I'll bring all the details of which you don't know. So get a look at this armed robber, the way they operate. Now then that they talk today. So she don't at the end of the day say no, we will not talk about them. We have to we need to unite with thieves. Sakono Vite 1.4 million chop and dollars, 900 million CFA. Then I can't talk about unity. It's not going to happen. So I'm going to leave it like this because I don't want me to show long. We don't get now almost 3 p.m. here. We'll start around 1:30. So we're going to leave it like this because only 1 hour 30 minutes will be enough for now. And we thank all my don't join this show. So once you go out, tomorrow we'll bring down all the balance sheet and they do all the balance sheet for money we come in for the Kumba donation and what you don't spend on everything that will be on the table. Any might not be satisfied, you're going to have a call back for find out. I want to thank you so much. I'm just saying God bless you now. Look at how many I see was 1.3 after almost 2 hours. So this one are the glory, this way God don't give us even see the truth. You see? I see on put the guy say Dr. Chon and this and so on. I want to say I need the you don't see how? Anything where una say una person be, no problem. We don't get time for argument. We get 2 enemies for the revolution. We get Paul Biya being Vondo, and we get the people that they chop that my chip to where they can pay, buy crabs, buy this, buy that, buy this, and then they seek out for deceitful people. That is my focus. These 2 groups of persons. La République du Cameroon. La République du Cameroon. And this criminal gang from Maryland are they on their case or on their cases. So I want to thank all my don't watch. If you never share, go back, go share. I will leave you now at this juncture. I know say a lot of people they see there, they still watch, but I will leave you now. And we'll not ever forget for make sure say we play our brother music once more, Dog Star, we sing Bamenda. We'll be very grateful for you. So all man do the hashtag thank you, Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation. Say may God bless you, all man Musalo Coalition.
Come on, let's do it now.
So thank you. Once you join, you share.
Without you, Mama Medai, I nobody existed. Thank you, Mama Medai. Thank you, my homeland. God bless you, Mama Medai. For the sacrifice for your children, I am proud of you. You are rich. I am proud of you. You are strong. You defeat the whole Cameroon, like Africa in the one land. Mama Medai.
Thank you so much. And bye-bye. Thank you so much.